In this tutorial, you will learn how to design a certificate on Hyperstack. Start from the homepage of Hyperstack. Here, you can directly click on Design Certificate or navigate to the Designs page and select Create Certificate Design. For this tutorial, let's proceed from the homepage. Click Design Certificate and then select Certificate to enter the Design Studio. This is your Certificate Design Studio, where the main area, or canvas, is where you'll design your certificates. On the side, you'll find customization tabs for adding images, text, and other elements. Let's begin by setting a background image. You can adjust the canvas size to fit standard paper sizes like A4 or US letter, and switch the orientation from landscape to portrait, depending on your design needs. To upload your background, click Upload Custom Background and select an image from your computer. Once uploaded, the image will appear on your canvas. Next, let's add text. Click on Texts, where you can choose from a variety of options such as heading, subheading, and body text. For now, select Heading and customize it to your liking. Double-click on the text to edit the text. On the side panel, you'll see options for high customization including font sizes, family, color, and alignment. Speeding up the process, let's add the rest of the texts. Now, we want to add the student's name as a dynamic field, which will auto-populate from your spreadsheet. Click on Attributes. Here you will find all dynamic attributes which you can use in your designs. For now, let's select Receiver's Name. This will drop a tag onto the canvas. Customize the text style as desired. You can also replace the issuing date with a dynamic attribute by clicking on Issuing Date from the attributes list and replacing it. Next, if you want a QR code for students to scan, select QR from the attributes list, which places a dynamic QR image on the canvas. This will be replaced with the original QR when issued. Additionally, you can create custom attributes by clicking Create Custom Attribute at the bottom of the Attributes tab. This allows for further personalization and adaptability in your certificate designs. To add a logo or signature image, click Elements on the side navigation. Select Upload Image and import your image. Finally, to save your design, go to the top right corner, name your design, and click Save. Congratulations! You have now learned how to design a certificate on Hyperstack. Thank you. Have a great day.